Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here we are exploring the universe together in a playful way. This is my first video. The animation that you see now is a very elementary simulation of the universe, if I can call it as a universe. I will briefly show you how to implement this simulation using basic Python statements and basic Newton's laws. First, you need to have a runtime environment or IDE for the Python language. I'm using PyCharm. You can Google PyCharm and install the free community version. As for the Python version, I'm using version 3.9. Then you need to install Pygame. You just open the terminal and type in pip install Pygame. Then you will have the package installed on your system. I already have it. Okay. And then you can start your programming. And all the codes you can find in my Github, where I put the Github address in the description of this video. Okay, in this program we have two classes. One is math, the other one is universe. In math, we have the definition of the object's name, the position x, y, the radius r, its color, its mass, and its velocity. I mean the initial velocity in x-axis and y-axis. We also have a small method to display this object in our canvas, and also print out the position and velocity of these objects in the background, definitely. And then we have the class of universe. Here we have the most important two characters of this universe. One is G and the other one is T. T is time and G is for the gravitational force, which is a very fundamental parameter. And we use a list to contain all of the objects in this universe. And the n is to count the number of the objects. Then we have a small method of add, that is to add the new object into the list. And then we have another method is action, that is to run the gravitational force on each other those elements in the universe. Then finally to display those objects in the universe. We have some very basic methods also. Dist is to calculate the distance between two objects using the very fundamental mathematical way. And then we have the gravity method, which is to calculate the gravitational force between the two objects. Then we have the move method, which is to calculate the new displacement or the new position of the objects in the universe, using those fundamental Newton's laws. Here we have the acceleration a, which is equal to the gravitational force divided by the mass of the object. And then we get the velocity, right? And then of course the velocity is in two dimensions. One is x-axis and the other one is y-axis. And finally we got the new position of the objects. Okay, and then you can using this program to add more objects into the universe. Okay, here we have 3 objects: sun, planet 01, planet 02. The sun, here the color is in RGB format, which is 3 numbers, and each number is up to from 0 to 255. this is a red color, this is a green color, this is the blue color, RGB. So here the sun is in red color, and planet 1 is in blue color. That's, I assume, is Earth, but of course the orbit is not Earth orbit. You can change those parameters here and try to see different results. And the planet 02 is in color yellow. And finally, we use the while statement, to keep the universe running. And that's it. The program is very fundamental and definitely is far away from the real universe. But I want to use this program as a very starting point. Then we can gradually, improve it to make it more close to the reality. Thank you for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.